on every trip, I try to get at least one photo that I'd like to print out and put on my wall. That one just might be it. Well, it did get a little bit cold last night, but it wasn't too bad. I had a lot of fun shooting some nighttime photography because there are so many stars in the sky. But now I'm excited to get outside and actually see the Grand Tetons. Well, it sure is pretty here. I'd like to spend another night, but I think I just need to get going again. Look at this campground. Beautiful. Yeah, it definitely got a little bit cold last night. Oh wow, look at these spots down here. Sorry for the wind, it's really windy out here. Definitely going to have to come back and hike around because this place is just amazing. I mean, yeah, amazing. So one thing I try to do on every trip is to get one shot that I would like to print out. And I have a feeling this might be it. Welcome to Idaho. Almost there. I just crossed over into Idaho. Found this cute little creek, so let me sit down and have some lunch. I gotta dip my feet in. Oh, that's cold. Even if it is only 65 out, it feels good. It's refreshing. It's time to get back on the road. I've been wasting a bunch of time today. And always remember, what you pack in is what you pack out.
I decided to go off the beaten path. And instead of taking the interstate to Boise, I took a more direct route on a little side highway. Not knowing what was out here, pretty much just thought maybe it'd be a scenic drive or not. And found this. Craters of the Moon. Huge lava fields. It's pretty cool because NASA tested here on how to pick up moon rocks while on the moon. It suits and everything. I'd heard about this, but I didn't know it was down here. Super cool, because I'm a science nerd. Crazy, it's so windy. Oh, this is cool. I mean, you can see why this would be a great place to test out for landing on the moon and getting around. I mean, that's what I think the moon would look like. Well, that was quite the surprise to stumble upon. I like it. Thought today was going to be a boring drive, but guess not. Well, this is an amazing ending to a day. After leaving Teton, I wasn't expecting much from Idaho. But as the day progressed, the scenery kept getting prettier and prettier. Lots of rolling hills, beautiful farms. And as the sun started to drop, I fell into a national forest and dripped down into a canyon. And I was like, I'm gonna miss sunset. And then at the most perfect time, I pulled into this little forest road and got a beautiful sunset down in the valley. These are the moments I love capturing. And it's usually about 1 out of 10 that are this amazing. Which just means you have to go and try to get more. The more experiences you have, the better the likelihood you'll have an amazing one like this. One more day on my trip. Hopefully I have a couple more amazing experiences. See you tomorrow.